saying it's not possible for it out to
it's impossible.
Friend not again.
It's impossible.
Because they're always
it's impossible.
But what are you saying about our gay brothers and sisters?
How many gay people have impregnated?
So what the hell? What kind of question is that? What about our gay? I think he understands what he means. Because you need
the question was
elaborate on this.
The question was Abajit. No one has ever referenced a gay person as Umjita. But I think men and women can genuinely be friends.
No.
Just that, wait, the girl has to be unattractive. They will really be friends. I'll be your friends.
Hey, nigga, there's some people like me. Catch me in a bed here.
I was at my weakest.
Catch me in a bed here. Actually, I do this. Ungacheli umuntu. Ngalokho uqeda ukwenza. Ungacheli umuntu.
Fakele uba go past 9.
Fakele uba go past 9.
Nah, she has to be unattractive. That's the only way.
They are besties. They are female friends. There's so many. Kunabantu ababamba ijazi mfethu. Bakubambisa ipenalty. Yabo. Sami no somizi khona babambisile futhi somizi uyazi unokujika eduze athi I'm no longer gay, I'm pansexual. I'm what this. Bazibiza lamagama banama alphabet angapheli. This alphabet community, they're dangerous because whenever they're changing their feelings, they also add another alphabet. You know. So I don't trust, you know. And most relationships, no, I don't trust in fact. Kunomunye othike naye ngamtshela so. Ngathi yazini, in fact, I don't trust these guys. What you know, but you know, yeah, but he's gay. After a long time, you know what, Ike? You were right. Because I was taking a bath in front of my gay friend. When he saw my breast, he started, you know...
Vuvugale.
Yeah, he became horny. I said, why is he horny now? Because he's gay. So, and in fact,
name one thing in a replaceable. I'll wait.
Anga-email yakho inebra ye-gay yabo phela ama-gay ashaya i-chocolate box kusho ukuthi email yami bazoyishaya i-chocolate box bayishayana ngaphambili bedleni le mshadabula angeke bro angeke phela usomizi mfethu ngapha uyamfista ngapha uyenzani ushaya inqindi angeke bro wami no wena lokuthi is gay no bro wami no cabanga bamshaya back and forth wena mawuthi uyazenza la yini ngibona ukuthi uyifaka wrong yabo le yayifaka futhi mfethu wena unokuthi yabo bathi bayajumpa ngeke bro I'm never yabona mostly abathikini yabo ukuyifaka wrong emelini hayi imjideni mina ngeke umjida ngeke nami yabo emelini because yabona vele nami ngiyacinca uku-explore yabo
explore Didi.
Let me ask you a question.
No.
Would you do it?
Do what?
His logic is simple.
Ian.
He wouldn't mind doing anal if it's a woman.
Hey, Anna wenzani because yami Anna sayicela ka grade 7 noma ka grade 6 because yami
But Anna
Anna national assessment because I can't say the whole thing. TikTok.
Oh like yo, this poor child. What is going on with your life? I was like, what did I do? I was like, wow. Okay.
She was not ready. No.
You grew out of it. I don't know what this logic is. I'll be honest. I don't know what this logic is.
You go to explore.
Either way.
And sometimes email nokuthi ngicela ukubona athi you are gynecologist uyavula yabo and umjida yabo into esinokuyilwela leyo ukuthi ngithi yazini mina I don't want my woman to go to a male doctor or a male gynecologist.
Good luck with that.
But no, but he's Muslim, so what? Because I don't see Muslim women, they're always covered. Yeah, but it's that, my brother Spuda. Most guys who become friends with women, they've been friend zoned. Bemfuna lo mntwana mfethu made it clear ukuthi yazini between me and now ayikho into ezenzakala. But once in a while umntwana unokuyibuza ukuthi yazini this guy man.
Hey man, nami nya friend zone.
I agree with you.
Nya friend zone na manje angisadlali.
I'm not friends with women.
No, friend zone. Ngiyafriendzona manje angidlali.
I don't know what that means, but I'm not friends with women. Friend is some, I don't know.
I'm not genuine friends, obviously, but
What the fuck is genuine friends?
I'm not gonna check on you. You're my friend, Mengikubona. If I don't see you, hey,
No, you are human.
good luck with that shit. But hey, man, Jen's friendzona.
Ilokhu imgama advice umntana esikhathi masiloko esihamba uyabona ukuthi masinaye out right yabo ilokhu ya-eda na ukuthi yabo hi man baby manage don't worry uyabona umntana ukuthi this guy is patient this friend how many guys have lost their women to friends or mhlambe one day ulahlile umntana uyakhala usibuda hey mina kangichithe right mhlambe mfethi media yakho uyichithele nini le yamcontrola seyambamba nangerome yabo mhlambe bayaphuza yiyo umntana.
And by the way, that's actually that's a fucked up like personality to have. Like being the type of guy who's gonna wait for a girl to go through all of these guys and you are just watching.
When we spectate,
That's a hell of, like the personality that you need to have, like the type of man that you need to be, is disgusting. No, it's just disgusting. Like I've never found and then you're gonna be like body count.
Thing is, with me, once I find out who you've dated, it's like, yeah, I cannot look at you as the same.
Yeah, because thing is, I believe that the first person.
In my mind, I'm the only guy you've been with.
Yeah,
In my mind.
I will sell that dream to myself.
Yes.
But at the same time, I still believe that the first person is always the one who's gonna shame the people that follow.
Exactly.
So if you are not the first person in you know all the roster.
Yo,
It's like
you have a good heart.
no, it's not a good heart. It's being stupid and being
No,
an
it's
idiot.
real men. Those are real men. Ungafani nami mina nginje umgodo yonganangqondo. You are a real man. Mina ngumhlathi wenja nje.
Jesus.
Umgodoyi. That's what I am.
Jesus.
When you are a real man, and I almost said role model for the kids, then ngakhumbula ukuthi ngifuna abafana bangempela.
Phakathi yazi women mfethu yeah baba women are emotional mfethu women and thina amajita sicabanga into e1 waya 24 hours and uhlala wazi lezi zinto eziyi2 azisipani same time inqondo mayisipani inkawuza ayisipani inkawuza mayisipani inqondo ayisipani azisipani zoyi2 drop
24 hours ucabanga lento.
This is
At
messed up.
50.
This is
At
messed up.
50. Okay.
Yeah, but I think you know where the problem starts. You see that when guys start dyeing their hair black,
Yeah.
that's where the problem starts. It's like I am not gonna grow up. It's like I am not gonna grow up. You don't have to worry about that shit happening to me.
Yabona ukhona umuntu oke wathi kimi muyindoda angeke uhlakaniphe ungakabi nonkosikazi. And the older I grow, the more I see that.
yabo and thina iconsolation yethu mfethu inocabanga phela thina umntwana makakhala mfethu cabanga umshaya makakhala mfethu head yabo iconsolation thina cabanga ukuthi amangamshaya uzoba grand yabo mina ngimoile lo muntu
Xathi inyembezi ilupwe.
Go to prison. Go to prison. Like whoever watch this guy,
Okay.
he must go to prison.
Inyembezi. Mobula inyembezi uyaqhanya.
Go to prison. Ayikho indaba yakho.
Mina trash.
Go to prison. No.
Today I'm changing my profile picture to purple.
Nah.
You're
go
a
to
purple
prison.
profile yami
Go to
namhlanje.
prison. Moboni inyembezi
Mobona
cabanga
inyembezi.
umshaya. Nah, lock him up.
This is insane.
I don't care what he has done in his life. He might have not even killed a fly in his life, but send him.
Kasi inyembezi usula kahle. Uyacabanga condom tissue.
Mazi nje ucabanga ispam. Inyembezi nje bakuthiwa nje ucabanga nje i-hard on. Noma athi uphandle imvula umoya amshaya nje.
Ushawe imvula lapho uqanje.
right yabo khona inyawo thami ke besejimini ithi lo mntana lo welwe yilento idumbbell ithi limshayela umbhonzi lo mntana uyakhala uyascream uyarola ithi mfethu yazi lo mntana makaloku akhala uyascream asengivukelwe yabo thina cabanga kanjalo baba umntana uyakhala laswa abuthikini cabanga kanjalo baba umntana uyakhala laswa abuthikini.
What did Kendrick said? Predators move in flocks.
Yeah.
This
And
guy,
imagine usibusiso uyabhayisiseka ngoba the whole businessman I have book shit is not working right now.
no, you know what I'm saying is, go to this guy's Facebook friend list. Arrest everyone there.
No,
Male,
that's fine,
female, 6 or 80, deaf or blind,
That's fine,
walking and disabled.
Just look at the people he follows.
Yeah. No.
Khona no DJ othanda ingane encane.
Oh, him.
Engakudlula ku-following yakhe. Abantwana base-high school
He makes hits.
I'm
He
like,
makes hits. I'll give him
yeah.
that. I'll give him that.
I'm like,
He's our R. Kelly. He makes
Straight.
hits. He makes hits.
mabathi teenage
Yeah,
leyo.
let's give him 10
What do you want-
years outside.
What do you mean paid?
Nah, let's give him 10 years outside. He's still making hits. Let's give him 10 years.
Hayi ithaqalwa ukungayenzi ingoma eshisayo.
But yeah,